To announce the Jacksonville Jaguars selection, please welcome from the University of Florida, the 9th overall pick in the 1998 draft by the Jaguars, running back Fred Taylor.
With the 36th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Jacksonville Jaguars select Myles Jack, linebacker, UCLA.
That's cool. Let's go, Jaguars! So, Jalen Ramsey was #1 on many people's draft boards. Myles Jack was #1 on many people's draft boards, if not for the injury. And Jacksonville has gotten them both. There you go.
That is an awesome pick. Myles Jack, supremely gifted athlete. He can play the run game. He can play the pass game. He's a 3-down linebacker. The concern has been, obviously, the medical. Now, we start this video off very similar to Jalen Smith. This dude is sideline to sideline. He sees it. He trusts his eyes. And he's going to chase that stuff down. You can't run away from him. He plays like a safety out underneath slots, both man and zone, as a hang defender. Can he come off the edge? Oh, yeah, he can come off the edge. And finally, look at him as a running back. Watch the balance right here. Hand down, stay in bounds, finish, touchdown. I mean, he's a draftable tailback. He's a top 5 pick. All the rumors were Jacksonville in the first round, and they came back, traded up, got him in the second. Coach, I don't know about you, but as a father, as a person that loves the game of football, I'm just so happy to see 2 super kids deal with all the adversity and finally get the payoff.
I'm glad to see teams investing. These are not one and dones. These are investments in players and quality people. And I met him upstairs yesterday, and also I know the Jalen Smith family.
Yep,
they're wonderful people, and what great picks. You like to see that.
So that means Myles Jack, Jalen Ramsey, and Dante Fowler Jr. are going to play their first snaps for Jacksonville coming up this fall.
Think about that.
Yeah, I just did.
That's awesome.
I'm asking you to think about that.
Jacksonville's a playoff team this year, folks.
So last night there was Myles Jack. Tonight he decided not to come back to the green room. Couldn't blame him, but he went the 5th pick tonight. Ian Rappaport, take it away.